Hello everyone, welcome back to Mixie Trixie's healthy and tasty recipes. In this video, I will show you how to prepare a delicious and nutritious dessert called black rice dessert. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is easy to follow and requires only a few ingredients. Black rice dessert is a traditional Indian dessert made with black rice, milk and jaggery. It has a unique and rich flavor that is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Not only is it delicious, but it also packed with antioxidants and nutrients that are beneficial for your health. This is black rice. You can easily find black rice in your local grocery store or online. And the rest of the ingredients are pantry staples. Take 2 cups of black rice and soak it in water for 3 to 4 hours. Then cook the rice on a simmer flame. Add a cup of soaked sago. Then add the required quantity of jaggery. After that, add a cup of boiled milk. In the meantime, ghee fry dry coconut chunks, nuts and dry fruits. Stir the rice after adding it. Finally, add a tablespoon of crushed cardamom and mix again. We have done now. So, if you are looking to try something new and exciting, or if you have a sweet craving that needs to be satisfied, join us in the video and learn how to make black rice dessert. Serve up this delicious and healthy black rice dessert to your family members, friends and relatives. You will surely be appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tutorials. Happy cooking and stay healthy.